Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel Crochet and Craft House. In this video I will show you how we will make choker or necklace in easy way. First of all, we will measure the neck normal. uh, the measurement of neck for the woman is 34 centimeter or 13 inches. We will make decoration on 17 centimeter or 6.5 inches. So let's start. First of all, we will make chain according to the our measurement. I am using blue yarn and these sequins in coin shape in silver color. You can use your according to your choice. First of all, we will make chain 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 and 30. Now we will measure. Ten chains are more needed for our measurement. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. This is measurement is exceed some stitches, so we need 35 stitches. Chain 35. After making chain 35, we will make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and now we will make one double crochet into the fourth stitch and make more 34 double crochet into the end of the chain. As you can see that we have complete all stitches of double crochet. Now we will make its decoration. We will first of all we will make chain 2 and then insert our decoration. And again make chain 2. We will skip one stitch and make a single crochet into the next stitch. Again we will make chain 2 and insert our decoration. Again chain 2 and skipping by we will make one single crochet by skipping one chain or one stitch. We will repeat it till the end. As you can see, we have complete our decoration. Now we will make our ending step. We will make 70 chain 70, After making the chain 70, we will make its ending. Now we will turn to the chain and make one single crochet in each stitch. After completing the chain 70, we will make single crochet into the center part of our choker. We will make 35 single crochet here. After completing this part with 35 single crochet, we will make the step for the other side using this pattern. First of all, we will make 70 chain 70. Then complete as we have completed the first strap. After making the strap of other side, we will close it here. We will cut and hide this loop with the tapestry needle. As you can see, our beautiful necklace is ready to wear. If you like my video, keep subscribing and keep commenting and keep in touch for the next video for amazing ideas. See you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.